Welcome to our breathtaking vacation rental. Today, we're excited to showcase our 3 cozy bedrooms. Our home away from home is the perfect getaway for you and your loved ones, including grandparents, kids, and even your furry family member. The first 2 bedrooms feature everything you need for a comfortable night's sleep. You'll find 2 plush rugs, 2 end tables, a luxurious memory foam queen-size bed, complete with a soft comforter and crisp white sheets, 4 pillows, and 3 decorative pillows. Parents will be delighted by the thoughtful amenities we have provided for kids, including booster seats, a set of baby monitors, baby gates, outlet plugs, throw blankets, and a pack-and-play to ensure that they feel safe and comfortable throughout their stay. The bedroom designed for kids is a treasure trove of toys and literature books suitable for children aged 2 to 16. Kids can even camp out in their own tent, or snuggle up in the 2 sleeping bags. So what are you waiting for? Come stay with us and experience adventure and comfort like never before.